In today's digital age, the world of marketing has changed dramatically. To succeed in business, it is very essential to understand the power of digital marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have become the go-to channels for businesses to reach their target audience. And having a website that is optimized for search engines is crucial to getting your business found online. But digital marketing is more than just social media and SEO. It includes email marketing, content marketing, video marketing, and more. And the beauty of digital marketing is that it is measurable. You can track your result and adjust your strategy accordingly. If you are looking to learn the skills that you need to succeed in digital marketing, then our course is perfect for you. Our course offers in-depth training on all aspects of digital marketing, including social media, SEO, video marketing, affiliate marketing, and more. With our course, you will learn how to develop effective digital marketing campaigns and strategies that will help you achieve your business goals. Don't miss this opportunity to take your digital marketing skills to the next level. Enroll in our course today and discover the power of digital marketing.